Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up Google Analytics. We will demonstrate in detail all the steps needed to set up your Google Analytics account. So watch this video till the end to better understand this process. Google Analytics gives you the free tools you need to analyze data for your business in one place, so you can make smarter decisions. With the use of Google Analytics, you will have complete information, understand your site and app users to better check the performance of your marketing, content, products, and more. Get insights only Google can give. Access Google's unique insights and machine learning capabilities to make the most of your data and connect your insights to results. Analytics works with Google's advertising and publisher products, so you can use your insights to deliver business results. If you're logged in with multiple Google accounts on your browser, then by clicking on your profile icon on the top right corner, you can switch it to your preferred Google account on which you want to use Google Analytics. To get started to use Google Analytics, click here on the Start Measuring button. Now on this page, you need to set up your Google Analytics account in just 3 steps. The first one is Account Setup. This is the Account Details section. Here, enter your account name. Please note accounts can contain more than one tracking ID. Now next is the Account Data Sharing Settings section. Data you collect, process, and store using Google Analytics is secure and kept confidential. This data is used to maintain and protect the Google Analytics service, to perform system critical operations, and in rare exceptions for legal reasons as described in Google's privacy policy. The data sharing options give you more control over sharing your Google Analytics data. Now you need to select the categories for account data sharing. The first one is Google Products and Services. If you have enabled Google Signals, this setting will also apply to authenticated visitation data which is associated with Google user accounts. This setting is required for enhanced demographics and interests reporting. If you disable this option, data can still flow to other Google products explicitly linked to your property. Visit the product linking section in each property to view or change your settings. By default, it is unticked, but if you want, you can tick it. The second one is benchmarking. Contribute anonymous data to an aggregate data set to enable features like benchmarking and publications that can help you understand data trends. All identifiable information about your website is removed and combined with other anonymous data before it is shared with others. And again, by default, this is ticked. If you want, you can untick it. The third one is technical support. Let Google technical support representatives access your Google Analytics data and account when necessary to provide service and find solutions to technical issues. Here as well, by default it is ticked, but if you wish, you can untick it. And the last one is account specialists. Give Google marketing specialists and your Google sales specialists access to your Google Analytics data and account so they can find ways to improve your configuration and analysis and share optimization tips with you. If you don't have dedicated sales specialists, give this access to authorized Google representatives. By default, again, this is ticked, but if you wish, you can untick it. You can click here if you want to know more about how Google Analytics safeguards your data. And once you're done, click on the next button. Now, the second step is properties setup. In this step, you need to specify your website, time zone, and your currency. A property represents a business's web or app data. An account can contain one or more properties. You can navigate to your Firebase account if you want to create a new property for an existing Firebase project. Here, enter your property's name. We are continuing with a pseudo property. Now select your reporting time zone from this drop-down menu, and from here select your currency. Click on this Show Advanced Options button, and from here you can create a Universal Analytics property just by enabling the button. And finally click on the Next button. Now the third and final step is about your business. In this step, you need to select your industry category, business size, and you need to select some options that specify how you intend to use Google Analytics. Here, select the category from the drop-down menu. You can start typing to search the category or else scroll down to find a suitable category for your business. Now you have to select your business size. If you have only 1 to 10 employees, then select the small option. If you have 11 to 100 employees, then select the medium option. If you have 101 to 500 employees, then select the large option. And if you have more than 500 employees, then select the very large option. Now you will be asked, how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? The options here are measure customer engagement with my site or app, optimize my site or app experience, measure data across multiple devices or platforms, optimize my advertising cost, increase my conversions, measure content monetization, analyze my online sales, and measure app installs. Tick as many options that are suitable for your website. Once you're done with selecting the category, business size, and you have ticked the applicable options, then finally click on the Create button. Now a pop-up window will open with the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. To use Google Analytics, you must first accept the Terms of Service Agreement for your country or region. If you wish to read this agreement, scroll down the page and then tick the box to accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR, and then finally click on the I accept button. If your Google Analytics account is set up successfully, you will see a success message at the bottom left corner. And then you will be redirected to your Google Analytics dashboard. Then you need to select the category for your email communications. You will have categories of performance, suggestions and updates, feature announcements, feedback and testing, and lastly, offers from Google. By default, all these options are ticked. But if you don't want any email communication, use this uncheck all and save button, or else click on the save button and then you will be taken to the analytics page. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to set up Google Analytics. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.